Formazano. But Ann Bremner, I'm not quite following this. It sounds like one of those law school exam questions. You know, you walk in and oh, my wife's in the bed. It's his estranged wife. He doesn't live there anymore. I mean,
Right.
that's why I'm not buying this, Ann.
Oh, I know, and it reminds me of that Texas defense of the he deserved killing defense, right? If you find, your wife in bed with some other guy, you can shoot him. Yeah, he's 25, yards away. He's like, he doesn't live there anymore. He just happens to come by to drop off something, etc. And then the mental defense, I guess, is that heat of passion, that he was just carried away. But you're right, Vinny. It's like, where's that heat? Where's the passion?
Yeah, DeWitt, they're not like married and he's, working all day and I'm trying, and I'm coming home to you, honey. And they're split up. She already left this guy.
Emotionally, I'm with you, Vinny. Emotionally, I'm with you. Any person, I would imagine, in that circumstance is going to be suffering from a great deal of emotional trauma, if you will, and surges of emotion. But, legally, I'm going to have to roll with Anna on this one. They were already separated. I don't think the law allows for that defense to be used in that circumstance. So I think he's going to have a little tough luck on that.
Yeah, Lawrence, what do you think? It's going to be some sort of mental defect, snap, a break from reality. I blacked out. I don't remember in my Newark police department uniform running down the street, chasing her down. I don't know if that's going to be bought by anyone in the jury.
Well, actually, what comes to my mind, what I'd be concerned immediately as a defense lawyer is there any, surveillance cameras, Ring video cameras of him maybe casing or stalking her over the last week or two before this? Maybe he's following her and he sees her go into the house with some other guy. And that's where he gets angry and goes and intentionally kills him. Like, that's my first reaction. I'd be worried about that evidence coming out at some point. Clearly it's not self-defense as far as we know. So it's going to be some sort of lesser, potentially voluntary manslaughter. And mental health, obviously, is certainly going to be an issue that's going to be raised. But is a police officer, was he insane? He knows right. There's no right from wrong. Did he have some sort of psychotic break? Those are issues.
And this trial is also going to have the testimony of one of the victims who survived, the boyfriend who was there that night, who tried to, say,